Good morning, students. This video session is for class 2nd students, subject mathematics, chapter number 1, numbers and numeration. This is our summary lecture number 2. Today's topics are, beta, this is summary lecture number 2. So today we will cover these topics. Number 1, ascending order, descending order, place value of underlined digit, face value of underlined digit, even numbers, odd numbers, greatest and smallest number. आज के हम इस वीडियो लेक्चर में बेटा ये सारे टॉपिक्स दोबारा से करेंगे ताकि आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम ना आए. Now our first topic is write the numbers and ascending order. Beta, what do you mean by ascending order? Ascending order means we have to arrange the numbers from smallest number to the greatest number. So here we have numbers 378, 569, 850 and 396. So we have to arrange it in ascending order. Okay beta. So let's see the greatest place of all digits, or you can say the extreme left digit of the numbers. So here in 378 this is 3, in 569 this is 5, 858 and in 396 that is 3. So here you can say which one is the smallest, that is 3, but we have two numbers of 3, 378 and 396. So we will see it's a tens place digit, that is 7 in 378 and 9 in 396. So which one is smaller? That is 378. So first of all we will write 378 and after that we will write 396. Now we have left two numbers, that is 569 and 850. So which one is smaller? That is 569, and at the last the greatest number, that is 850. So how we will speak this number? We will speak like this: 378 is less than 396, 396 is less than 569 and 569 is less than 850. Okay. Now we will see one more example of it. 154, 468, 480 and 128. So beta, again we have to see it's a hundreds place digit. So we have two numbers of same hundreds place digit, that is 1. 1 वाले हमारे पास two numbers हैं. Okay, so we will see 154 and in 128 tens place digit, that is 5 in 154 and 2 in 128. So which one is smaller? 128, and after that we will write 154. Now we have left two numbers and again there is a same digit at hundreds place, that is 4. Okay, so we will see its tens place digit. In 460 that is 6 and in 480 that is 8. So which one is smaller? That is 468, and after that the greatest number we will write 480. So how we will speak it? We will speak like this: 128 is less than 154, 154 is less than 468 and 468 is less than 480. Now our next topic is write the numbers and descending order. What do you mean by beta descending order? In this we have to arrange the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. हमें बड़े number से शुरू करना है और छोटा number लिखना है. See, here in A part we have numbers 950, 999, 560 and 630. So first of all we will see which one is the greatest. So we will see it's a hundreds place digit. Again here we have two numbers with the same digit of hundreds place digit, and that is 9. So tens place, 5 in 950 and 9 in 999. So which one is greater? 999, and after that we will write 950. Now we have left two numbers, 560 and 630. So in 560 hundreds place digit is 5 and in 630 hundreds place digit is 6. So which one is greater? 630, and after that we will write 560. So how we will speak it? 999 is greater than 950. 950 is greater than 630. 630 is greater than 560. Now in B part, 348, 390, 540 and 245. So which one is greater among these? That is 540. So first of all we will write 540. After that, at hundreds place 3 is there, two numbers are there. So we will see its tens place. In 348 that is 4 and in 390 that is 9. So which one is greater? 9. So 390 first of all we will write, and after that we will write 348. And the smallest among these, that is 245. So how we will speak it? 540 is greater than 390. 390 is greater than 348. 348 is greater than 245. Now our next topic is write the next even number of the following numerals. Beta, I told you that you have to make a table. है ना? If you want to write even or odd numbers, you have to make table. So first of all, I am writing here places, ones and tens. So here we have a table of odd and even numbers. So we will starting from odd number 1, then in even 2, then in odd 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 की सिर्फ 0, क्योंकि हमें इवन नंबर्स या ऑड नंबर्स देखते टाइम सिर्फ उसका वंस प्लेस लिखना है. ओके बेटा. So here in 12 our ones place digit is 2. Okay, and 2 is our even number and we have to write the next even number. तो 2 के बाद next even number की लाइन में हमारा कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है? That is 4. So which number comes after 12? That is 14. Understood? Now in B part we have a number 638. Ones place digit is 8. So after 8 in even number 0 comes. So 68 के बाद 69 we will leave and then we will write 70. one number leave करके हमारा even या odd number आता है. Now in 94, after 4 which number is even? That is 6. So 96. Now in D part 50, 0 के बाद देखो फिर से 2 start हो जाएगा. So 5 to 52. Understood? Now write the next odd numbers of the following numerals. So again first of all we will write places on it, और ones place हमारा हमेशा हमारे right hand से start होता है. Ones, tens, hundreds then. So first of all we will make table of odd and even number. Okay. Now 41 is at ones place, 1 is there, and in odd number after 1 which number comes? 3. So 41 के बाद 42 को leave कर देंगे हम and 43 we will write. Now in B part 89 is there, at ones place 9 is there and 9 के बाद फिर से कौन सा नंबर आता है? 1. So 89 के बाद 90 को हम leave कर देंगे और 90 के बाद 91. Now in C part we have a number 19. Again here at ones place 9 is there. So 19 के बाद क्या आता है बेटा? 20. 20 को हम leave कर देंगे और 20 के बाद 21 we will write. In D part 67 is there. So 67 ones place digit है 7. 7 के बाद odd number का कौन सा नंबर आता है? 9. तो हम 68 को leave करेंगे और 69 को हम लिख देंगे. तो आपने क्या ऑब्जर्व किया बेटा कि when we want to write odd or even number, next odd or even number, so we have to leave one number and write the next one. Understood? आपको एक एक नंबर छोड़कर वो नंबर लिखना है. Now write the place value and face value of underlined digit. So here we have numerals and we have to write its place value and face value. Here our first numeral is 950. Here beta in 950 you can see that 5 is underlined digit. Okay. So first of all we will write places on it because we want to write its place value. Okay, and for place value places are must. So here you can see that at 5 is at tens place. So we will multiply 5 by 10 to find out its place value. Okay, so 5 tens are 50 and face value is the number itself, that is 5. Now in B part, we have number 864 and underlined digit is 4 and 4 is at 1's place. So we will multiply 4 by 1 to find out its place value. 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4 and face value is the same digit, that is 4. Now in C part, we have a number 327 and the underlined digit is 3 and 3 is at hundreds place. So we will multiply 3 by 100 to find out its place value. 3 multiplied by 100 is equal to 300. Now the face value, that is 3. And in D part, 406 is our numeral. Now the 0 is underlined digit and its place is tens, so we will multiply 0 by 10. And I told you earlier that when we multiply a number by 0, it becomes 0, है ना? जब भी हम किसी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, हमारा आंसर हमेशा 0 आता है and face value is 0. तो you can see that कि place value जो है वो हमारी वेरी कर रही है, बार बार चेंज हो रही है according to its place, but फेस वैल्यू जो है हमारी वो नंबर खुद ही उसकी फेस वैल्यू है, वो कभी भी चेंज नहीं होती, चाहे उसका प्लेस कोई भी हो. ओके बेटा. नाउ हियर इज अ क्वेश्चन, राइट ऑल द पॉसिबल 3-digit numbers from the given digits. Okay beta, we have given 3 numbers 2, 9 and 4 and we have to write its greatest and smallest number. Okay. So first of all, we will see that how many possible 3-digit numbers can be formed. So all possible 3-digit numbers can be formed are 249. हमने 2 को 100 प्लेस पे रखा, उससे हम दो नंबर्स बना सकते हैं 249 and 294. Now we will keep 4 at 100's place, 429 and 492. And now we will keep 9 at 100's place, 924 and 942. So how many 3-digit numbers can be formed? 6. Okay. Now we have to find out which one is the greatest number from them and which one is the smallest number from them. So first of all, greatest number, that is 942. Here you can see beta that at 100's place 9 is there क्योंकि 9 हमारा सबसे बड़ा नंबर है और 10th प्लेस पे हमने वो नंबर रखा है जो मिड वाला है और 1st प्लेस पे सबसे छोटे वाला नंबर रखा है. तो इस तरह से हम ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. एंड स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर, अगेन स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर में हम सबसे पहले सबसे छोटा नंबर रखेंगे, दैट इज 2, फिर उससे बड़ा और फिर उससे बड़ा. 249 इज आवर स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. नाउ फाइंड ग्रेटेस्ट एंड स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बाय गिवन डिजिट्स. अब हमें सिर्फ स्मॉलेस्ट और ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर बताना है, हमें सारे नंबर्स नहीं लिखने हैं. ओके. सो स्मॉलेस्ट एंड ग्रेटेस्ट 3-digit नंबर हमें फाइंड आउट करना है और our digits are 5, 7 and 9. So first of all we will write greatest number. So for this we will write ones, tens and hundreds यानी places on it. So which is the biggest number, that is 9. So हम 9 को 100 place पे रखेंगे, then 7 and then 5. Okay, so our number becomes 975. And for smallest number, how we will write? First of all, we will write smallest number, that is 5, then 7 and then 9. So the number becomes 579. Understood? Let's see one more example of it. Find the greatest and the smallest number by given digits. We have given digits are 3, 1 and 0. Here 0 is there. So which one is the greatest number? That is at 100's place we will keep 3, then 1 and then 0 and our number becomes 310. Okay, सबसे पहले हमने सबसे बड़ा नंबर रखा, फिर उससे छोटा और फिर सबसे छोटा. But in smallest number it will not possible because there is no value of 0. अगर हम 0 को आगे रख देंगे 100 प्लेस पे तो वो 2-digit का नंबर बन जाएगा. इसलिए हमें यहाँ पर 0 को 10th प्लेस पे रखना होगा और 100 प्लेस पे किसको रखना होगा? 1 को. ओके. तो 3-digit नंबर बनाने के लिए 1, 0 और 3 हम लिखेंगे. स्मॉलेस्ट 3-digit नंबर इज 103. ओके. नाउ बेटा today's homework is do assignment number 2 given on at Quark website. मैम ने आपके लिए 2 और असाइनमेंट्स भी बनाए हैं, तो अभी आपको असाइनमेंट नंबर 2 करना है जो आपको at Quark वेबसाइट पे मिल जाएगा और उसी के बिहाफ पे आपका नेक्स्ट टेस्ट होगा। आपका 1 टेस्ट हो चुका है और सेकेंड टेस्ट के लिए मैम ने 2 समरी लेक्चर, एक आज दे दिया, एक लेक्चर मैम आपको और देंगी, 2 समरी लेक्चर और 2 असाइनमेंट्स, ठीक है, आपके लिए बनाए हैं, तो आपने उसको बहुत अच्छे से रिवाइज करना है। ओके बेटा, थैंक यू।